Hi everyone, good morning. So, ang Bible verse natin for today is all about John 1:13. Sabi dito sa John 1:13, through Him all things were made. Without Him nothing was made that has been made. So sa Tagalog, nilikha ang lahat ng bagay sa pamamagitan niya at walang anumang nilikha nang hindi sa pamamagitan niya. Ang patungkol sa verse na to is pumapasok ang concept ng dualism. Yan. Ikaw ba ay dualism or meron kasing tinatawag na naglalaban ang mabuti at masama. Dualism is the belief that God and the material universe have internally existed as two opposing forces. This view suggests that there is an ongoing, equal struggles between good and evil. However, Scripture teaches that God alone is eternal, sovereign, and supreme. Evil is not an equal force to God, but a temporary rebellion that will ultimately defeated. So, ang first teaching natin is God alone is eternal and uncreated. Ang Diyos po natin, hindi siya nilikha. Siya ang lumilikha. So, merong, tanongin kita, ikaw ba ay dualism or holistic na Christian? Christianity kasi ang pinanganak. Ang Christian kasi is pinanganak sa Israel na may Greek culture. Kapareha ng sa atin. Tayo ay meron tayong international culture, kaya nakakapagsalita tayo ng English, nakakapagsalita tayo ng English, pero meron tayong sariling salita. So, Greek culture, merong dualism, dalawang force. Yung Diyos, spiritual, may material na tapos merong Diyos, spiritual, merong material na bagay. So, this view is representative na merong ongoing struggle na pinamumuhay mga tao. May good and evil, spiritual at material. Diyos at ang material universe, magkasama daw talaga ito. Isang good and evil. Pero, tandaan natin God alone is eternal. He is alone sovereignty and supreme. Yung evil pumasok lang sa creation ng Diyos. Pero, matatapos din yan. Sabi nga sa Genesis 1, verse 1, in the beginning, God created the heavens and earth. At sabi din sa, pumasok lang yung kasamaan. Temporary lang yun, hindi pang matagalang. Si Satan, temporary lang yan. Ang Panginoon ang tatapos, ang magbibigay ng healing sa atin. God alone is eternal and created. Hindi totoo na yung good and evil is coexist. Ang Diyos, mas namumutawi ang good. Kaya nga sabi sa John 1:3, through Him all things were made. Without Him, nothing was made that has been made. All things, sa lahat ng bagay, ay ginawa through Him. Ang kasamaan ay matatapos din yan. May katapusan. May complete healing. Christ is rule over everything. He is the sovereign and supreme. So, hindi totoo na merong secular and sacred thing na kapag ka ikaw ay pare, kapag ikaw madre, ang kurso mo is patungkol sa religion, ikaw ay pumasok sa seminaryo, that is a sacred. Things pertaining to the spiritual internal realm of God affairs of related to religion, that is sacred. Secular things pertaining to the physical and temporal realm of man's affair, that is not religion. So kung ikaw ay doktor, engineer, magsasaka, scientists, teachers, kung ano man, secular yan. So hindi yun totoo. Walang ganon. No? Lahat pag kay Kristo, isa lang. Hindi, dapat ang biblical mindset natin, sagrado lahat ng bagay. Ano man kurso mo, ano man meron ka sa mundong to, kung ano man profession mo o trabaho mo, lahat yan nilikha ng Diyos. Yan. So, like Adam, he is a scientist. He is taxonomy, pero naging gardener siya sa Garden of Eden, di ba? Ang mundo natin, walang masama. Wawakasan at wawakasan ng Diyos ang kasamaan. At lagi nating i-mindset na evil has a beginning and end. Christ is Lord over all, including the material world. Siya ang sovereign and supreme sa lahat. So, application sa buhay natin, we have to reject the dualism pagan worldwide, embrace the holistic biblical worldwide, make secular sacred. I-apply po natin to sa buhay po natin. Hope you learn something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.